Hello, I'm Simon and welcome to the SciRob YouTube channel. Now, a few years back I made a vacuum engine mount replacement video for my Volvo D5, and these vacuum mounts, or they're sometimes known as hydro-pneumatic mounts, they're fitted to quite a few cars, not huge numbers, but quite a few cars. BMW, I know, use them on some of their models as well, and very often the assumption will be that you've just got to get genuine, whatever your manufacturer name is, genuine mounts, fit those, and that's guaranteed fitment and operation, because they're quite a complex mount, and it's not something that you want to risk with an aftermarket part if it's not going to be much much decent quality. But after fitting the genuine Volvo ones to my car, I then started looking into, alternatives, and, just as is the case with all parts, if you start looking closely at the part and taking down numbers or symbols or whatever, you can often find that you can get identical or near identical quality for a lot less. So I looked into, at the time, getting some melee mounts, and so they arrived, and they looked suspiciously similar to the genuine Volvo mounts. And on closer inspection, when you start looking at the melee mounts, it was apparent to me that it was the Volvo mount. They'd just, burnt off where the Volvo symbol would have been, and just obscured it basically, which is not an uncommon practice. And I'll do a second video, I'll do a separate video showing how, the original parts manufacturers basically recycle the genuine manufacturer parts, but they just grind the name off of the manufacturer. And on the genuine Volvo mounts, if you look closely, you'll see a symbol called well, it's this symbol here, and it's a company called Vibroacoustic, and they're the company that make the mounts. And if you start delving a little deeper into Vibroacoustic, you'll find that they're a subsidiary company of a huge German company called Freudenberg, and Freudenberg basically have, well, many companies under their umbrella, and sure enough, if you go on the Vibroacoustic, or rather the Freudenberg Wikipedia page, you see Vibroacoustic listed as a company. Now, on these engine mounts that were melee, if you then look on the top of it, you'll notice it says Corteco. Well, Corteco are once again a very big, very large brand and manufacturer of high quality car parts, and so if you then go back to the Freudenberg Wikipedia page, you'll actually find that Corteco are also a Freudenberg company. So you have this situation where you've got this engine mount which is branded melee on the box, although there's no melee branding anywhere on the mount itself. It's stamped up Corteco. It's carrying burnt out references to the genuine manufacturer's name on the mount. And looks wise and operation wise, it works exactly the same as the genuine manufacturer's mount, but it's substantially cheaper. So I think the cheapest I've paid for melee mounts is around about £39, and they go up to around about, I don't know, £65–70, something like that, and 80 if you're really unlucky. And so instead of paying £100, £110, £120 each for the genuine Volvo mounts, I now just buy either melee or Corteco. And if, show you, for example, on this eBay listing, you must check all the part numbers for yourself for compatibility. But if I check on this eBay listing, it's got the, it's branded Corteco there. It's only £64.40. And if you pop down to the vehicle description, they even the part description, they even say that you know, Corteco, part of Freudenberg. So there we go. I hope you find that little bit of investigative work useful, and thanks very much for watching.